be safe, right? Okay.
How to build a SEMA show car in a home garage using basic hand tools with 6 amateurs and in less than 1 year. You do it with 3 cars, 2 years of planning, 11 months of building, 6 amateur builders, and 20 industry mentors. At least that's how the Honest Assembly team did it. The Honest Assembly series follows a team as they aim to build the world's most advanced E30 M3 and compete against multi-million-dollar cars for top honors at SEMA.
My name is Zach Lagren. I'm a student at CU Boulder. I study accounting and finance.
My name is Isaac Gesundheit. I'm 22 and I go to school at the University of Colorado Boulder studying mechanical engineering.
My name is Parker Brown. I attend the University of Colorado.
Yeah, my name is Reese. I am 21 years old and right now I'm going to Metropolitan State University for mechanical engineering. I hope to do work either in the automotive industry or in the cycling industry.
My name is Justin Brew. I study at CU Boulder, environmental science.
My name is Peter Dolich. I'm a student studying mechanical engineering technology at Metropolitan State University of Denver.
I'm 21 years old. Well, Corey gave me a call, a week or two ago and said, "Hey man, so I have this project that we're doing over, this next year. And I wanted, you and all the guys at Glen Shelley and as well as himself and whatnot to be involved and do kind of grassroots garage built car and just show what it's like to do that without, just dropping off at the shop and, writing a blank check."
I don't think I'm a purist when it comes to modifying cars like that.
So when I first heard of this project, I was in the office at work and Alex was saying something about, "Man, Corey wants to put an S55 in his M3. And I was like, "What? Do a what?" To our knowledge, this has not been done before. I really would like to have the experience of making such a new power plant work in such an old chassis.
In essence, what the E30 is, it's the intersection of classic BMW with the modern era. It's where the transition occurred, and it's the sweet spot for me.
The E30 M3 is a very special version of the E30 that has a very high performance 4-cylinder engine, and it has very unique styling. Most of the body panels are different, and they're worth a tremendous amount of money these days, even in bad condition. The idea behind this car is to raise money for children's cancer and use it as a promotional vehicle for CRC, and hopefully to be ending up at SEMA.
There you go. You got me. I'm really excited for this project. I think one of the big parts that's going to be tough for me is definitely just the wrenching, because I am pretty inexperienced. I'm really looking forward to all the things I'm going to get out of it, all the things I'm going to be able to learn along the way, and it's an E30 M3, which is always awesome.
I want to pair these guys up with some other friends of mine. Hopefully they can continue to show them things. I want to pair these guys up with body shop professionals, pair these guys up with fabrication professionals.
As far as I know, our general plan right now with the car is to swap the interior from tan to cardinal. Cardinal's the color. It's that red interior that I really like. I've seen a few. We also have plans to swap the car, potentially to an S55, which is the motor that's in the modern M4 and the new M3, correct? It's that twin turbo inline 6. It makes upwards of 400 horsepower, and I think in an E30 chassis, that's just going to be an absolute riot, and I look forward to seeing that finished product.
When this project is completed, I would like to have my name on such a, in my opinion, ridiculous engine swap.
What else do you want as a car enthusiast? What else do you want other than having a car like you were saying, SEMA, it is the pinnacle. It's where all the crazy, you see the RWBs there. If you follow Rob Dahm on YouTube, he debuted his 4-rotor RX-7 there. I mean, just to be invited, just to go to SEMA alone.
But at the end of the day, it is a learning and growing experience for, you know, us as a group, for me personally, and, you know, not only that, being able to be a part of a project like this can open a whole lot of new doors for the future in the auto industry.
Regardless of where the car is in 180 days, I think I, as a person, as cheesy as it maybe sounds, I'll be a better person. I'll be way more knowledgeable about all the stuff that I claim to love. I'll have met all these cool people and have had all these new experiences that I wouldn't otherwise have had.
Just by watching this video, you are helping the Morgan Adams Foundation, a childhood cancer research charity.
For every video view, CRC will be generously donating 5 cents up to $50,000 of our final goal of $250,000.
If you want to help us reach our goal, all you have to do is continue watching these videos and share them with your friends. And if you'd like to know more, you can go to honestassembly.com and learn how to donate yourself.